How to make money at 28. By the age of 28, at this point in your life, you may wonder why money is crucial and start to decipher the most important role it plays in your own life. The real reason is so important that it provides you with options to live the better life that you want to live and puts you in control. Having money and being satisfied with finances also gives you independence and options to determine how you want to live and support the things you care about the most in your life. Money is not everything in the world, but it can be effective and crucial in helping you accomplish your goals and let you make the best of the life you have. To be able to make choices and have options is one of the best feelings in the world. Knowing you are stuck in a specific situation because you need the money or financial help is disheartening, but when you have the money, you can control what you want and what you don't want to do. I think one of the most powerful feelings is knowing that you don't need to worry about money and not having financial stress. Even if you lose your job or some economical unrest happen, you aren't worried about paying bills, paying to see a doctor for medical reasons, or wondering where your next meal will come from. At this point, you may also reach a level of financial freedom or income where you can afford to give back by helping charities, your local communities, or a good cause. There are the reasons why it's so important to work hard, earn money, and learn how to use it wisely. If you're 28 and have no idea how to earn money and are constantly worried about it, don't worry. Today I'll tell you the best 5 methods to make money and earn those millions to push you out into a financial independence at 28. But before we get started and know about the best 5 ways to make money at 28, please subscribe to my technical solution and like and share the video. This will motivate me a lot, making me bring more quality content for you. So let's get started. Number 1. Dive into the world of real estate and earn millions. There are a lot of ways to invest in real estate and they can be very confusing, especially if you're someone new in the world of real estate. I think you might be wondering how you can become a millionaire through real estate investing. The great thing about real estate is that nearly anyone can use it as an investing tool, and if you're constant enough, you can use it to become rich without having to wait a long time to get results. Because real estate is a factual asset that will always be needed, you always subside your invest and grow your wealth with it. These advantages make it easier to become a millionaire through real estate investing. Before we get into real estate investing, you should learn as much as you can about the types of investments and strategies in real estate. Learn about what's involved in property management, how taxes work, and how you need to get the financing. You also need to learn about the 4 wealth generators in real estate and how you can profit from each one, which are cash flows, tax saving, equity, and appreciation. Knowing how each of them work will help you maximize your revenue. There are a lot of books, resources, and online courses that you can look at which will help you learn about real estate investing as well. Set your goals after getting yourself well informed about real estate works. You can start small, but it can surely lead to you earning those $1 million sooner than you think if you do it wisely. If you have the right knowledge and strategy, develop a plan and be persistent enough, you can become a millionaire real estate investor in no time. At just 25, Sahil Mehta from Berkeley, California makes around $515,000 per year from real estate. So what are you waiting for? Go grab that chance to become a millionaire now. Number 2. Do forex trading to earn some money. Forex, or in other words, foreign exchange, is the market where currencies are traded. It is the biggest and most liquid market in the world with a daily turnover of over $5 trillion. With a daily turnover for over $5 trillion, how amazing is that? It is certainly possible to become a millionaire with fired trading, but it is not easy. A lot of hard work, dedication, and discipline are required, but if you are willing to put it in the work, you surely getting those millions. Forex trades have no central exchange or clearing house, and currencies are traded 24 hours a day, 5 days a week across a global network of bank, dealer, and brokers. In Forex, currencies are traded. Currencies are crucial to most people around the world because they are needed to be exchanged to conduct foreign trade and business. The first step in Forex trading is to find the reputed Forex broker that can offer you a good platform to guide you. Once you have found a broker, you will open and found an account and start trading by choosing a currency pair that you want to trade. Forex is an increasingly popular market for investors because of its ability to make a quick profit. Paul Tudor Jones is one of the Forex traders who made not millions but billions with forex trading. So what are you waiting for? Number 3, invest in Metaverse, the new digital way to earn millions. Metaverse is a virtual world where users can interact to do things they normally do in real life but in virtual reality. In the Metaverse, you can do things like buying, selling, and renting out a digital property, getting a job, advertising for a business, and opening a business or a store. The easy and simple way to participate in the Metaverse is by joining a Metaverse project like Axie Infinity or the Sandbox. You can participate by investing in that project's cryptocurrency. For instance, Axie Infinity uses AXS and the Sandbox uses Sand. Also, Metaverse projects are tied to cryptocurrency, so there's potential for high returns in a short amount of time, and it takes only a few of your hours to start. The Metaverse is a high risk investment but with the potential of high returns if you do it right. A computer and internet connection and knowledge of how cryptocurrency and the Metaverse work can get you the money you want in some time. So why not start now to earn those millions you always wished for? Number 4, get yourself into YouTube cash cow business. Do you want some good income from YouTube? Get into YouTube cash cow business then. YouTube cash cow business is where the channel owners upload faceless YouTube video on their channel. These YouTube channels are run by creators who produce content that bring in a sizable monthly income from the platform but also remain private and does not disclose their identity to the public. Chase Namek, who is a successful businessman and claims to have more than 20 YouTube channels, invested the term cash cow YouTube channel. He says a cash cow YouTube channel is made only with the intention to make money. Victory in it requires a good niche selection, above average video qualities, editing skills, careful topic selection, promotion, and consistency to succeed. These channels are the ideal business model for anyone looking for a highly flexible way to earn some good money. You can learn and make the money yourself, or you can hire a team to do it, and this can turn your YouTube channel into a legitimate business. You can do it by yourself, but it's hard for you. You can pay people to write script, collect videos, record voiceovers, and edit videos. YouTube cash cow business is good for beginners. In the beginning, you can start by creating the content yourself because the cost of hiring others to make your video can be high. A cash cow YouTube channel doesn't cost much to start up, hence making it for beginner friendly but not any less profitable. Cash cow videos can receive a lot of views, get monetized quickly, and begin receiving payments from YouTube. You just have to make your YouTube channel, choose your cash flow video niche, and create and publish your video, and voila! People are making up to $500 per day with YouTube cash cow business, so why don't you try? Number 5, flip domain names for earning money. Whether you are a big retailer or a small business, choosing a memorable and catching domain name from your website is an important part of making your business a success. In 2021, there were more than 1.8 billion websites in the world, and almost every single one of those websites needed a domain name. Much like comic books, cryptocurrency, and sneakers, you can buy and sell domain name for a profit. If you go domain buying website like Namecheap, GoDaddy, and Hover, you can buy as many domain names as you want and then sell them forward. But the trick is finding the domain name that are valuable. There have been domains that have sold for 7 and 8 to 9 figures. Cars.com, for example, was sold for $872 million. The name in flipping domain name is to buy several promising domains and sell them for a profit fair, usually for a long period of time. It takes less than an hour to start up with minimum effort. You just need an internet connection, so go and earn your $1 million by domain flipping. You don't need to be discouraged if you are 28 and clueless with no money, because you can earn surely by any of the way I told you today. Have confidence in yourself. You can do it. All you need is determination, confidence, and persistence. Smart work. That's all for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Do subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. Have any questions, comment down below, and let's have a chat because I love to talk to you guys. I'll see you next time with another informative and exciting video on how to make money.